Hey guys, welcome to Learn with MCQs. This is an comprehensive platform to learn various subjects with MCQs. So let's start our first video with Food Science and Technology MCQs Part 1. And our first question is, which of the following crop is a C3 plant? And the options are rye, finger millet, maize, sorghum. Your timer starts now. And the correct option is rye. Which of the following is or not part of the milk fat globular membrane? And the options are cerebrosides, nucleic acids, bound water, none of the above. And your timer starts now. And the right option is none of the above. And third question is, what is the density of milk fat globules at 15.5 degrees centigrade? And the options are, your timer starts now. And the right option is 0.93 gram per centimeter cube. Hormone that is important for the emptying of the milk from cow's udder is cortisol, serotonin, oxytocin, melatonin. And your timer starts now. And the right option is oxytocin. Which of the following fatty acid is liquid at room temperature? And the options are caproic acid, lauric acid, capric acid, and none of the above. And your timer starts now. And the right option is caproic acid. Colostrum is high in casein, lactose, oleic acid, and whey. Your timer starts now. And the right option is whey. Which of the following statements are true? Milk with high amount of oleic acid yields soft butter. Milk with high amount of majestic acid yields soft butter. And the options are both 1 and 2 are true, both 1 and 2 are false, only 1 is true, only 2 is true. And your timer starts now. And the right option is only 1 is true. Lactose is made up of glucose and galactose, glucose and maltose, glucose and glucose, glucose and fructose. And the right option is glucose and galactose. Which of the following statement is true? Cow fed with green pasture yields hard fat, cow fed with linseed cake yields soft fat. And the options are both 1 and 2 are true, both 1 and 2 are false, only 1 is true, only 2 is true. And the correct option is both 1 and 2 are false. Agglutinin is denatured at time temperature combinations of 65 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes, 67 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes, 69 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes, and 71 degrees for 10 minutes. And your timer starts now. And the right option is 65 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. So that's it guys. This is for today's video. Let's meet tomorrow with a new video. Thank you.